Hi everybody, welcome back from GetNGS. Today I want to explain you about attribute test. I made 3 parts for this lesson. The first one is how to create the attribute test. Second one is how to edit the attribute test. The last one is about useful command. Okay, let's talk about attribute test. What is attribute test? And then what the difference is between attribute test and normal test. Normal test is just like a single line test or multi-line test. Normally, attribute test is used for plot reference as an informational test. Please take a look at this drawing. This is the plot reference drawing with attribute test. I will click on the attribute test. Okay, here you will see this is the tag, prompt and value. It has 3 parts. This is the informational test and then prompt. Prompt is just like a question. Then value. Value is just like an answer. As an example, you see the prompt color. What color is it? Then the answer is reddish, just like a red. What is the date? The date is 23 October 2023. What is the place for this window? Level 2. What is the price? The price is $300. And what is the window name? The window name is W1. Okay, I will click on OK. That is called attribute test. Okay, let's see how to create attribute test. To create the attribute test, firstly, we need to click on the block panel, click on the down arrow, then click on the first one. Then dialog box will appear. There are 4 parts to create the attribute definition. The first one is mode. The second one is attribute. Third one is insertion point, and the last one is test setting. Insertion point and test settings are same like before. That is not the new test. So let's emphasize on mode and attribute. To create the attribute test, we need to emphasize on here. Under attribute title, there are 3 items: test, prompt, and default. The first one that is used for informational test. Then the second one is just like a question. This is the question. Therefore, value is just like a answer. So I will show you as an example. I will create attribute test for this window. The first one is window. Then I will copy this window. I will paste here. Window. I will make question mark. Window. What kind of window? Then the answer is window W1. Here I want to highlight one thing. For this tag, cannot put the spacebar. Okay, as an example, I will make a spacebar and then I will type one more thing. I will make yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. I will click on OK. You see, the tag may not contain spaces. I will click on OK. So we cannot make a space in this tag. So I will delete the space. Okay, I will click on OK. I will put it here. If so, you will see window. This is the informational test. After making plot reference, we cannot see this tag. This is called tag. Let's continue attribute test creation. To create the attribute test, we can type ATTDEF enter or ATT, also OK. Now I want to explain you about mode. Under mode title, there are 6 numbers. The first one is invisible. If we click on the invisible checkbox, we cannot see the text. As an example, supposing this is window. I will make copy. This one also window question mark. What kind of window? Here I will make it window W1. If we click on the invisible checkbox, we cannot see this word. After creating the plot reference, we can see this default value only. We cannot see this two. But if we click on the invisible checkbox, we cannot see this default value also. I will go on about mode. So if I click on the constant, we cannot type on prompt. We can type on that and default only. If we click on the constant, we cannot make any changes for this default value. Let's go to verify. Supposing we click on the verify checkbox, then we create the plot reference, and editor attribute dialog box will appear and we need to verify this word. If you want to change, you can change it on that time. I will make uncheck. Then the next one preset. Preset is also same with verify. Then the next one is lock position. If we click on the lock position, then we cannot move the text from here and there. Okay, I will uncheck. Then the last one is multiple line. Multiple line is just like a multi-line text. If we click on the multi-line checkbox, we cannot type here already. If you want to make some changes, you need to click on the rectangle box. Click at a place, then you can type what you want. W2. Okay, here change already to W2. If so, I hope you will understand how mode and attribute are working. Okay, let's go to insertion point. Okay, you can click on the specify on screen, test setting, justification, top left, middle left, bottom left. You know already such kind of thing. Then test type. Test type you can choose what you like. Here so many test type. I will click on the style one. Then the test height. For the test height, you can type it here. If you want 5 inch, you just type 5. If you click on the rectangle box, you want the test height from here to here, you just click here. If so, you will get the very big test height. Okay, let's see example. I will click on the okay. Yeah, I need to make it supposing W1. I will click on the OK. Then you can see the very big test height. Okay, I will click on. I will press on escape. This is the rotation. You can type 25, 20 or 30 or whatever. For the default, you can put the insert fee also. I'll click on the insert fee. If you want to put the date, you click on the date and time, then click on the date. You can choose what you want here. I will click on the this format, then I click on OK. So you will get the today date. When you finish everything, you just click on OK. Okay, that is the example. So I will click on the cancel. Okay, let's create the attribute test for this window. Okay, I will delete this one. Then I will copy this one. Okay, explode. Then I will delete all this. Let's create the attribute test together. I will click on the block, then click on the attribute test. Now I will create 6 number of tests for this window according to this mode because I want to show you how mode is working. For the first one, I will click on invisible. I will type object object object, then prompt is quite just like equation. So what kind of object? Object object question mark. Then therefore it's just like the answer. So this is window W1. Here specify on screen. It's okay. Then test setting. I will click on the left. You can choose the middle left also. But here I will choose left. I choose the style. Then test height also okay already. So finally I will click on OK. I will put it here. Then I will create one more thing. The shortcut is ATT under. Then I will click on the constant. I will uncheck the invisible. Then the second one is size. So I will type SIZE size. No need to mention the prompt because it's fade out already. So size is 3 feet multiplied by 4 feet 6 inches. This insertion point and the setting no need to change. So I click on the OK. Then the next one. The next one is date. ATT and verify date. What is the date? Then the date is I will click on the insert fee. Then I will choose the date. Then I click on OK. Then the rest then no need to change. So click on OK. I'll make one more attribute test. ATT enter. I will click on preset. This location. Okay, one location. And I will mention level 1. Click on OK. And I will make one more. This time I will make material. I will copy here what kind of material. Then I will answer the OOD wood. Then click on OK. And I will make one more ATT enter. This time I will make log position. Then price. Price in dollar. The answer is $300. Click on OK. The last one, I'll click on multiple line. Then there is color. What kind of color? Here I cannot type because I click on the multi-line. So I will click on the rectangle box. Type yellow color. I will click on OK. Then I will click on OK. If so, I already created all information here. Now I will create a block reference with attribute test. To create the block reference, I will click on the block. Then the name is Fusion W3. Then click on the waypoint. I will show here. Then click on the select object. I will select the window first. Then I will select this attribute test one by one. I cannot select the attribute test by using window or closing window because I want to get the test one by one like this. Then I will press enter. Here I choose on the delete. If I click on the OK, then this drawing will be delete. Okay, I will click on OK. This drawing no more already. So I will go to insert, click on the down arrow, then I will check the W3. W3 is here. Click on the W3, then I will show here. Then you see edit attribute dialog box appear already. Okay, we need to check this one we need to change or not. Okay, object W1, I need to change to W3 because block name is W3. So I click on the W3, then date, no need to change, today date is fine already. Then location level 1, material is wood, then price is $300, is okay, then color is yellow. Okay, everything fine already, so I click on the OK. And now we already create a block reference with attribute test. Now we know already how to create the attribute test. Eventually, I want to show you my preference. I will type ADD and for this mode, according to my preference, I don't want to click on any checkbox because I will show you example. Okay, I create this one W3. I will type window, copy and paste here window question mark. Then this is supposing W3. I don't click on any checkbox here. Then I click on OK. Okay, I will put it here. Then for the next attribute test, I will not create any ADD or click on the block here or click on the here. No, I don't do like this. To be faster, I will copy this letter, press enter, then I copy here, then ET enter. You can type ET enter to modify the text. Otherwise, you can do double click also. This one side right. Second one is side. What side is it? Then you can type the size of the window 3 feet multiplied by 4 feet 6 inches. Click on OK. Then whatever you want, you just copy and edit the text. Then you can do it faster and it's easier for you. Okay, that's all for today's lesson, and for the next week, I will show you how to edit the attribute text and useful command. See you next week. Bye bye.